What if I told you, you could shoot music videos that look like Drake's without spending $50,000? Clapperboard fire after testing 27 cameras. These are the top 5 music video beasts of 2025, and number 2 will shock you with its low-light performance. All purchase links below. Let's make your visuals legendary. Number 1. Sony A7S3 camera. If cameras were band members, the Sony A7S3 would be that versatile lead singer who can hit every note and look good doing it. This camera is like the love child of a night vision goggle and a Hollywood film camera, wrapped up in a sleek, mirrorless body. Let's talk about its superpower, low-light performance. With its 12.1 MP full-frame sensor, the A7S3 can practically see in the dark. It's perfect for those moody, dimly lit music video scenes that make viewers feel like they're in an exclusive underground club. Whether you're shooting in a neon-drenched dive bar or a candlelit acoustic session, this camera delivers clean, noise-free footage that'll make your video look like $1 million, even if your budget is more in the 3 digits range. But the A7S3 isn't just a one-trick pony. It can shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, allowing for buttery smooth slow-motion shots. Imagine capturing every droplet of water splashing off a drummer in epic slow-mo. It's the kind of shot that turns a good music video into a visual feast. Number 2. Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS R6 is like that band member who's good at everything: lead guitar, backup vocals, and can probably even play the triangle if you ask nicely. It's a jack of all trades that doesn't compromise on quality, making it an excellent all-rounder for music video production. Let's start with the video chops. The R6 can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, giving you plenty of flexibility for both standard and slow-motion shots. Want to capture the lead singer's hair flip in glorious slow-mo? Check. Need to film a high-energy performance in crisp 4K? Double check. The 20.1 MP full-frame sensor strikes a nice balance between video performance and still image quality, perfect for when you need to grab some promo shots between takes. One of the standout features of the R6 is its autofocus system. Powered by Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2, it's like having a tiny focus puller inside your camera. With 1053 AF areas covering the entire frame, it can track your subjects with the tenacity of a groupie following their favorite band on tour. Eye-tracking AF works wonderfully for keeping performers in focus, even when they're bouncing around the stage like a caffeinated chipmunk. Number 3. Blackmagic Design Pocket Camera. If the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro were a musician, it'd be that indie artist who refuses to compromise their vision and ends up creating something truly unique. This camera is not for the faint of heart or those who like their gear to do all the thinking for them. But for those willing to learn its ways, it offers a level of cinematic quality that can turn your music videos into visual albums worthy of Beyoncé. Let's talk resolution. The 6K Pro shoots, you guessed it, 6K footage. That's more KS than most people have in their job title. This resolution gives you an insane amount of detail and the ability to crop or reframe in post without losing quality. Want a punching on the guitarist's fingers during that intricate solo? With 6K, you've got pixels to spare. The Super 35 sensor combined with the EF lens mount gives you that coveted cinematic look. It's like having a tiny film camera in your hands, perfect for creating music videos with a Hollywood sheen. The 13 stops of dynamic range capture everything from the deepest shadows to the brightest highlights, giving your footage a gorgeous, film-like quality. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix GH52 Mirrorless Camera. The Panasonic Lumix GH52 is like that reliable rhythm guitarist in your band. It might not always steal the spotlight, but it's the backbone that keeps everything together. This camera has earned its stripes in the music video world, becoming a go-to choice for many videographers due to its robust feature set and dependable performance. Let's start with the video capabilities. The GH52 can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, giving you plenty of flexibility for both standard and slow-motion shots. Want to capture the drummer's lightning-fast fills and smooth slow-mo? You're covered. Need to film a high-energy performance in crisp 4K? No problem. The 20.3MP Micro Four Thirds sensor might be smaller than some of its full-frame competitors, but it packs a punch when it comes to video quality. One of the standout features of the GH5 II is its in-body image stabilization, IBIS. With up to 6.5 stops of shake correction, it's like having a tiny Steadicam built into your camera. This can be a game-changer for handheld shooting, allowing you to get smooth, professional-looking footage without lugging around a bunch of extra gear. Perfect for those guerrilla-style music video shoots in locations where you can't exactly roll in with a full production crew. Number 5. Fujifilm XT4 Mirrorless Camera. The Fujifilm XT4 is like that indie band that comes out of nowhere and suddenly everyone's talking about them. It's not the most expensive or highest spec camera on our list, but it packs a punch that belies its size and price point. If you're looking to create stylish music videos without emptying your band's gig money jar, the XT4 might just be your new best friend. Let's talk video chops. The XT4 can shoot 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, giving you plenty of flexibility for both standard and slow-motion shots. Want to capture the guitarist's perfectly timed jump in glorious slow-mo? You've got it. Need to film a high-energy performance in crisp 4K? No sweat. The 26.1MP APS-C sensor might not be as large as some full-frame options, but it delivers beautiful, detailed footage that'll make your music videos pop. One of the standout features of the XT4 is its in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Offering up to 6.5 stops of shake correction, it's like having a tiny gimbal built into your camera. This can be a lifesaver for handheld shooting, allowing you to get smooth, professional-looking footage without needing a degree in Steadicam operation. Perfect for those run-and-gun music video shoots where every take might be in a different location. So which camera has your name on it? Drop your pick in the comments. If this video saved you from wasting money on the wrong gear, smash like, share with your creative crew, and subscribe. Next week we're exposing overpriced pro gear that's not worth it.